Alright, moving on to the next ones, real quick, quickly, I need to get all the way over here. The only way I'm going to get that is by those two angles, or I need to have, this angle here, because that makes a linear pair, and so I need to work to get basically this angle, or this one, depending on what I can get. Well, I need more information. I can actually get this angle here, if I have this one, because these all make a linear triplet, I guess you could call it. These two angles are congruent, so they're 45. I need to get this one, and so I need these two angles here to figure it out. And luckily, I've already got these two, because these are congruent. They're vertical angles. Those are congruent because they're vertical angles. Now that I got these two, I can figure out this angle here. Just because all the angles in a triangle add up to be 180, so I'm going to take 180, subtract off 45, subtract off 75 degrees, and that's going to give me, let me punch it in real quick, and that's going to give me 60 degrees. So this little angle here is 60 degrees. These three have to add up to be 180, so I'm going to take 180. I wish I could write my 8s better on this. Minus 60 and minus 79. And that's going to give me 180 minus 60 minus 79 is going to give me 41 degrees. So this angle here is 41 degrees. And now that I got these two, I can figure out my question mark because they add up to be the question mark. That's the external angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem, sorry. So if I add them up, 68 plus 41 is going to give me 109. And so 109 degrees. Man, 109 degrees. That's a hideous degree symbol. 109 degrees, that's my question mark. Moving on to 7. In trying to figure out what this x value is, I need to realize all those angles add up to be 180. So I'm going to set my equation just like that. 55 plus 54 plus x plus 74 equals 180. And now I need to solve for x. My 180 is going to stay there on the right side. On the left, I'm going to combine like terms. So I'm going to take 55, add 54, and add 74. And that's going to give me 183. I need to now subtract 183 from both sides because I want to get my x by itself. And that's going to give me x equals -3. And I got it. Moving on to 18. Again, same strategy. All these guys add up to be 180 degrees. So I need to write my equation. I got it written. I'm going to simplify my left side real quick by adding together, combining like terms. So 70 plus 60 plus that 2 little bit there on the end is going to be 132. And then 8x doesn't combine with anything. So now I need to solve for my x. I got to subtract 132. I got 8x equaling 68. Here, 180 minus 132. Oh, it's 48. Is 48. And you divide by 8. And that's going to give me x equaling 6. And so I got my x there. Moving on to 9. Real quick, remember the exterior angle theorem? Those two add up to be that guy. And so I'm going to set up my equation that way. 64 plus 27 has to equal 97 plus x. On the left, I'm going to combine like terms. So I'm going to do 64 plus the 27. That's going to give me 91. Is going to equal 97 plus x. I'm going to subtract 97 because I want to get my x by itself. And that's going to give me -6 equals x. And that one's done. And let's do 20 real quick. These guys conveniently are congruent because they're vertical angles. Same as over here, those two angles are congruent because they're vertical angles. And these three angles add up to be 180. So x plus 51 plus 80, that's supposed to be an 8, plus 60 equals 180. And now I'm going to combine like terms on my left side there. 51 plus 80 plus 60 is 191. And 180 on the right side is still going to be there. I need to get x by itself, so I'm going to subtract 191 from both sides to get x equals negative 11, and it's done.